Morning, everyone. August 20th here. Just wanted to dive over potential scenarios for today on the SPY. So let's get into it. Let's remove these drawings. Let's hide there. Let's get into it. So we could see here the SPY had this nice rally recently. Okay. Put this trend, this fib extension would come up to this area of supply, kind of ran right through it. So no supply there. All right. We go to retrace this now. So potential levels we could look at are 5-day moving average is right here, 550, 549, right at this VP shelf. Next level of interest, this is 0.382, 38.2 retracement, right? We got a significant VP shelf here, and down below, 0.618 retracement next to the month-to-day VWAP. Okay, so maybe we could get a little pullback, deep shake-in over the next 2 days. Preferable shakeout would be nice. However, there's no signs of slowing down, and we could be pushing into all-time highs, and then maybe starting to see some profit taking. Keeping in mind here, let me move my head. The 2-day RSI is hitting an overbought territory. However, this is a high momentum, and you can clearly see when it's high momentum, it's quick, fast returns, 1.22%. And the 10-day RSI is getting into an overbought area. So it's just something to watch out. You got multi-time frame, 2 RSIs hitting an extreme overbought area. 2-day RSI and 5-day RSI, MACD, are starting to curl and cross each other on the intermediate time frame. Okay. The 10-day and the 20-day MACD are still aligned. So we have mixed messages here on our MACD. Okay, just something to be wary of. We'll check out that QQQ. Do the same thing here, right? We have a VWAP. If we put that in the SPY, very similar setup. Key level is 469, 465. As we come into the 5-day and this VWAP, this previous high. Okay, we get this VP shelf at the 0.382 retracement and pulling back down to 447. 0.618 retracement to the month-to-day VWAP, 451 to 446, potential area where we could see some demand. Same concept here, 2-day RSI hitting overbought, 10-day RSI getting there. No signs of slowing down yet. We're at a turn down. MACD is starting to turn down. 2-day MACD and 5-day starting to turn down, and the 10 and 20 starting to turn up. So some key levels today, some potential scenarios. Maybe if the market's going to stay resilient, we'll see something like a pullback to the 2-day VWAP, 3-day VWAP, right? Consolidate, get back above daily VWAP, and then get a push off into this 2 area, right? Which would be about that 2.0 Fibonacci extension. Just see what this looks like on the other side here. There to get us up to this, right to this gap fill, right above this gap that hasn't been filled yet, 488. So that could be a potential scenario. Maybe we get a little shakeout, 2-day VWAP, but get back above the daily, push to this 486, maybe into that gap. If we do shake out and can't get above daily VWAP, be cautious, and maybe we're going to see 465 to 461. SPY, same concept, right? Maybe we could get a little shakeout down here, and maybe under the 3-day VWAP, right? Get back above the 2-day and daily, and then that can finish off to that 2, and again, that'll bring us back to that all-time area. If we break down and reject the daily VWAP, right? Be cautious, right? And we talked about those levels, 540, 533 potential areas. If this 549 5-day gap doesn't hold up. Hopefully this was helpful.